Hello parents and caregivers. Imagine giving your baby the ultimate head start in life, nurturing their brain, vision, and immune system from the very beginning. That's exactly what omega-3 fatty acids can do. These powerful nutrients are like nature's little secret to supporting your baby's growth and development. Let's break it down so you can understand why omega-3s are an absolute must for your little one. Omega-3 fatty acids are widely recognized as essential nutrients for human health, but their importance is especially critical during infancy. These powerful fats, including DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, play a vital role in the development of an infant's brain, eyes, and immune system. Providing adequate omega-3s during this crucial stage of growth can set the foundation for lifelong health and well-being. Let's explore the remarkable benefits of omega-3s for infants and their role in supporting early development. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, are essential for infants' growth and development. Here are the key benefits of omega-3s for infants. 1. Brain development. DHA is a critical building block of the brain and nervous system. It supports the formation of neurons and synapses, enhancing cognitive and intellectual development. 2. Eye health. DHA is a major structural component of the retina. Adequate levels of omega-3s support visual acuity and overall eye development. 3. Cognitive function. Omega-3s have been linked to improved problem-solving skills, memory, and attention span in infants. Early supplementation may enhance long-term learning capabilities. 4. Immune system support. Omega-3s possess anti-inflammatory properties, promoting a healthy immune response in infants. 5. Heart health. Omega-3s play a role in cardiovascular health by supporting proper blood circulation and reducing inflammation. 6. Healthy growth. Omega-3s contribute to the development of cell membranes and tissues, aiding overall growth. 7. Potential protection against allergies. Some studies suggest omega-3s may reduce the risk of developing allergies and eczema by modulating immune responses. Sources of omega-3s for infants. Breast milk contains DHA and EPA if the mother has an omega-3 rich diet. Formula. Many infant formulas are fortified with DHA and EPA. Supplements. In cases where supplementation is necessary, consult a pediatrician for appropriate options. Adequate omega-3 intake during infancy sets the foundation for lifelong health and well-being. If you're considering omega-3 supplementation for your child, it's essential to discuss it with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. Remember, giving your baby the nutrients they need, like omega-3s, is one of the simplest ways to support their growth and development. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with other parents. Let's help every baby get the best start in life. See you in the next video.